Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Pinecone plus LangChain for scalable Q&A automation, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Begin by ensuring you have a clear understanding of both Pinecone and LangChain.
Pinecone is a vector database that allows you to store and search through high-dimensional data efficiently. LangChain is a framework designed to facilitate the development of applications using language models.
Start by creating an account at pinecone.io.
Navigate to the dashboard and set up a new project.
Once your project is created, you will be provided with an API key. Make sure to save this API key securely as you will need it for your integration.
Next, install the required packages. Open your terminal and run the command pip install Pinecone client LangChain. This will install both the Pinecone client and the LangChain framework.
Create a new Python file for your project. In your Python file, import the necessary libraries. You will need to import LangChain as well as the Pinecone client. Initialize the Pinecone client using your API key. Set up a new index in Pinecone for your question and answer pairs. You can do this by calling the create_index method from the Pinecone client. Define the schema for your index, specifying the dimensions and any additional metadata fields you require. Next, prepare your data. Gather the question and answer pairs you want to automate.
Convert them into a format suitable for Pinecone, typically vectors.
Use LangChain to help generate these vectors from your text.
You may need to specify the language model you intend to use for embedding. After processing your data, push it to the Pinecone index using the upsert method. Ensure that each entry includes both the original text and its corresponding vector representation.
Now, set up the querying mechanism. Use LangChain's tools to construct a question-answering pipeline. This can involve defining a prompt that formats the user's question appropriately. Connect this pipeline to your Pinecone index to fetch and retrieve relevant answers.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.